Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, my friends. In this hot day, I'm going to show you how to make some quick strawberry dragon fruit lemonade refresher, just like the ones that we have at Starbucks. So let's go. Quick and easy recipe. Here we go. My friends, what you need is strawberry dragon fruit drink, the beverage. You can get them at local supermarkets, but it's hard to find, so you have to really search, right? Because remember, we're making refreshers like Starbucks, and this is going to be mighty refreshing on such a hot day, right? And you need any brand of lemonade. I bought the President's Choice brand. Hopefully it works out well for all of us. And so if you're making this drink for one person, all you need is 1 cup of the strawberry dragon fruit, right? Just 1 cup. And this is if you're making this for you, just for yourself, right? And let me get some. Oh, I'm actually gonna put it in the jar. And then I'm going to put just 1/4 cup of the lemonade. That's all you need, 1/4 cup of the lemonade. And this is if you're making it for one. Now you have to double or triple the recipe if you're making it for your whole family. So 1 cup of strawberry dragon fruit.
How is that a quarter cup?
Beverage. And this is 3/4 cup. Sorry, my friends, 3/4 cup of lemonade. That's what you need, okay? And now, my friends, here's the magic. That's all you need. You just need to mix this around. We just need to mix this around. That's it. Okay, my friends, I forgot to tell you, you need some frozen strawberry, or you can use some fresh strawberry, and just put it in there, right? These are frozen, nice pieces. And this jar I'm just making for one right now. You don't have to have anything else, but can you see? Some ice. Yeah. All right, so let's get some ice in this bowl. And for some reason, when you buy lemonade refreshers at Starbucks, they fill up the cup with ice. And in such a hot day, you might want to do that as well, right? And as I said, there's no magic. There's nothing special about this and combining 2 drinks together. Okay, so watch this. I'm just gonna pour it over. Right now, take a look at that. Looks refreshing, doesn't it? It looks very refreshing. This is what it's all about, my friends. Are you ready to take a sip? You know what, I'm just actually going to make this a little bit colder. So I'm going to stir it around a bit just to soak up some of that yumminess. Okay?
Wow, that's a long drink.
Oh, child. That is nice. That is nice, my friends. Honestly, it's really, really refreshing. You must try this and come back and let me know what you think. All right, thank you for watching.